Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a little while, but I'm back to share a lovely box I received in the mail. Sparkle & Co. reached out and asked if I wanted to share their monthly subscription bag and a special discount code with my viewers, and I happily agreed. As you can see, the attention to detail in packaging their products is absolutely amazing. Besides their dip powders, they also have other products available on their website, sparkleandco.com. They have 9 different subscription options available, ranging from $12.99 to $88.99, so you can choose the one you prefer. The one I got is the basic dip powder subscription bag at a cost of $29.99. It comes with 3 unique dip powder shades that are exclusive to the subscription bag. They are called Baby Flamingo, Let's Take a Dip, and Let's Flamingo. Labeled swatch sticks of each, a liquid, this month is called Solidify, a sticker, and a keychain, all beautifully packaged inside a really cute bag. Since it's my first time trying their dip system, they were kind enough to include the other 2 liquids I will need in order to create a manicure, which I will be sharing in a separate video. But these are available on their site to purchase separately, since they only send out 1 liquid as part of the monthly subscription bag. There are clear, easy to follow instructions as well as a card with tips on caring for your products. The August bag is available to order as of July 20th. You can use the 15% off code LaShenny21Nails15 on any product except the subscription bag. But after 6 months of being a subscription member, you will receive a free store credit for your anniversary. The credit will be in the amount of a full-size dip, which has a value of $18 and can be used anytime on future orders. Besides these great discounts, they also have a cool referral program. All you have to do is create an account when placing your first order and include my channel name, LaShenny21Nails, in the notes of your order to get a store credit. If you use my channel name, I will also get a store credit. And once you place your first order, you can tell your friends to use your name so you can get another credit when they place their first order. Isn't that amazing? They have a lot of helpful information available, which I have linked in the description box of this video, as well as their social media, so you can follow them and find out more. Thanks to Sparkle & Co. for sending this lovely package, and thank you guys for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!